Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. And I have quite a few things right here in front of me. And I literally purchased all these things yesterday. So if you want to see the products that I picked up, just keep on watching. Also, before we get into it, I do have a Dollar Tree playlist. It is a bit of a massive one. I have full faces, ranking videos, and a bunch of hauls in that playlist. So if you want to watch that, it's going to be down below in the description box. But let's just get into it. Let's just start off with the first product. I bought 4 of these cute little like Easter bunny things. They're really cute. They're like little plastic bunnies. They're see-through and they're just so cute. I actually purchased these last year. They're the Happy Easter eggs, and basically I just take them to work during the Easter month, so whatever, and I just put like a little candy in there and just give them out to the kids. So I'm really excited, and it's definitely giving my vibe. It's pink, it's cute. So I did pick up a 4-pack of these little bunnies for Easter, and of course, like we're literally still in February when I'm filming this video, but things sell out really fast at the Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and picked them up so I won't like miss out on them. But these are so cute, and they have a bunch of other cute designs and stuff at Dollar Tree, so definitely run if you're gonna be, you know, building baskets and stuff for Easter. But this is so cute. This is so random, but in the section where they have like all the socks and stuff, they had these women's boy shorts, and I just went ahead and grabbed a pair of these, and they're really cute and pink, and I just want to see how they work. So they're just like little shorts or whatever, and of course, because they're the pink shade, they just look really good. So we're gonna see how these work for $125. You can't beat it. You know how I feel about my cough drops, girl. We have the Freegels cough drops. These are meant to soothe sore throats. It comes with 30 drops in here, so I just went ahead and picked up this blue one in menthol eucalyptus. Again, one that you've seen before. I literally purchase it all the time, so I really like these just to have just in case in my collection whenever I get like a little bit of a sore throat, whatever. Yeah, these are just good to have. I feel like we're like flying through the more like miscellaneous products. Next, we have a repurchase. I have not used my other one of these, but I wanted to buy it just in case, because again, things are always selling out at the Dollar Tree. So I'm like, girl, I need me my Barbie body scrub. So this is from the Mattel Barbie collection. This is their body scrub in strawberry scent. And this is so cute. And sticking to the Barbie theme, I also went ahead and picked up another little tissue box. This is the Smart Care Barbie facial tissue moment, and it's so cute. I'm like always going through tissues for some reason or another in my room, so I like to switch them out every now and then. So yes, so cute. And of course I picked up the Barbie one because it's adorable, but they also have a bunch of other designs if you're not into Barbie. I did go ahead and pick up this little baby. This is a scrunchie. It was $125, and it's this beautiful shade of purple. And you guys know I have I've really been into purple as of lately, so I went ahead and picked this up, girl. I feel like I can never have enough of these scrunchies. I'm always switching them out before I go to sleep or whatever, or like when I'm just home, I like to have my hair like in a bun or something, so I like to have different types of scrunchies to go through, and these are like really comfortable as well, very nice and soft. So I went ahead and picked up the purple one. So cute. This is the Color Vibe with Hardeners nail polish in this beautiful white tone. This is in the shade White Out. I couldn't remember if I already had this. I doubt I have a white in my collection for my nails. Me and my sister are always interchanging our nail polish. I have like a bunch right behind me. So I went ahead and picked up this white because I don't think we have a white nail polish. So, you know, just whenever we're feeling the vibes. And the Color Vibe line is really, really good, and it dries down really fast as well, which is what I look for when I'm polishing my nails, something quick and easy. And I'm not just sitting there all day waiting for them to dry. You know, this is a really quick and easy application, and it actually wears really nicely. So yeah, cute. Also came across this product. This is the Global Beauty Care Lift and Firm Eye Cream, and it has collagen and peptides in it. Really intriguing, and it is white with some pink lettering. So I was like, girl, I need it. There's a close-up look at that. How cute is that? Let's see. Ooh, there's a little swatch of that. It has like no scent, but it blended in so nicely. Ooh, can't wait to use that on the under eyes, especially with my little tool that little like metal tool that you kind of like roll. Oh, It's gonna feel so good on the under eyes. So cannot wait to try this. Last thing before we get into the official makeup products that I found, we have this Sassy Chic travel size bottle, a little kit. Comes with 4 bottles in here, was $125. I came across the pink one. There was also like a green one. Yeah. So basically you take off the top and you get your 4 bottles on the inside, perfect for travel. You just like pop these out and then you could just pop them back in. You can have like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, whatever for when you're traveling, and everything's conveniently in a little pack together. These are so cute, and you can actually fit a lot of product into these little tubes. So cute, and it doesn't have to be like you know, shower products. It can be anything you want can go in here, sunscreen, whatever, lotion. So I thought this is so cute. I cannot wait to get some use out of this once I start traveling in the summer. So yeah, I thought this was adorable, and again, they had a couple other colors to choose from, but the pink one is obviously the one that I got. Let's get into the makeup. The first product is this Prolux matte setting spray, and it includes a powder puff. I didn't even see that. So they had a couple of different colors to choose from. I went ahead and went with a buff. It just looked like it would be the best for me. It says, yeah, Prolux on set extra fine setting powder. I love the packaging. Again, this is the shade buff, but they did have like fair and beige and some other like tones to choose from, and some of them actually have a different colored box. So there's a close-up look at the Prolux powder. It says it also comes with a poof. So let's see. Oh, how cute. Okay. And then there's the shade buff. I think it's gonna match my skin tone rather well. And I also did pick up their foundation recently. So yeah, so excited for a Dollar Tree full face. And I wait to try this again with the foundation as well. So yay. Next we came across these liquid blushes from Ioni Cosmetics. First off, we have the shade Warm Rose as well as the shade Rosette. Just a close-up look at the 2 blushes. Honestly, I was gonna leave this one because I have quite a few shades like this from Dollar Tree. They keep coming out with a pink and an orange. Usually it's like a really bright orange. So I was like, but I wanted to show you guys, and also I like to share makeup with my sister. So I'm probably gonna give this to her. I just want to swatch it. So there's a close-up look at the packaging. I honestly love that it says Ioni Cosmetics in big letters, and on the back we get the liquid blush and the name of the shade. Love this packaging. I have a feeling it has that big like giant doe foot. Yeah, these are always really messy already. I don't know if it's something about the stopper. So this is Warm Rose. Honestly, it's giving more orange to me. Let me know your thoughts. But again, Warm Rose is the first one that I swatched. There's a look at the Rosette shade. Again, look at that. It's like already messy. Yeah, it's definitely giving rosy vibes now that it's compared to that bright orange. So cute. Cannot wait to try it on the face and see my thoughts, girl. But they've been coming out with so many of the bright orange. It's crazy. But this one's actually a really nice, unique shade. And it looks like it's going to be perfect for that everyday kind of look, you know, vibe that I like to go for when I go to work and stuff. So cute. Came across this LA Colors little collection that they had. This is called their Cheeky and Peachy lip gloss. So cute, in the shade Peachy Pie. So look at that. That is so adorable. I know they came out with another product. They keep coming out with very like wearable, very clean girl aesthetic kind of products as of late. It says magically tints lips pink. There's like a little picture as well. So I'm guessing it's like those color shifting glosses, and also says it is peach scented. So a close-up look at that product. So cute. I love that they're coming out with these cute little innovative things. Ew, there's a look at the applicator. Oh my goodness, like a shimmery pink kind of moment. That's so cute. Okay, living. And it says peach, but literally it's like a pink shimmery moment. I almost want to put it on my lips now, but we're gonna go ahead and wait for that full face of Dollar Tree. It's giving peach vibes. Okay, cute, very nice and light. Okay, girl, cute. So far so good. Let's get into the next product that I came across. This is the Cheeky and Peachy cheek and lip oil. It says magically tints lips and cheeks pink. So this is in peachy pink. There's a look at that product. So cute. There's a close-up look at that one. It's a cutesy little moment. Okay, and this is just like clear, and I guess like over time it does tint your lips pink, but kind of I'm living for the other one a little more. Again, that's a slight smell of peach. Nothing crazy. Okay, girl. So cute. Already kind of shifting, as you can see. It's giving light pink on the hand now. The last product that we have is this. This is part of the Cheek and Peachy line. This is their cheek and lip glitter balm. It says magically tints lips and cheeks pink as well, and the shade Peekaboo. There's a close-up look at that product. How cute is a little heart. Look at the packaging. How cute is that? On the back you get the sticker. Now if you are a perfectionist, the sticker is kind of crooked. I hate when that happens, but you know, whatever. As long as it has a name and the name of the shade, I'm good. You know, I'm Gucci. But this is so cute. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So it looks on the inside. It looks like it's already an imprint in there for some reason. Okay. Okay, it's giving the same as the little gloss that we just watched. It's giving clear moment, but I guess like over time it turns pink, and it does have like glitters in there as well, you could see. But okay, girl, this is so cute. And that was actually the last product in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, check out the playlist. If you love Dollar Tree, you're gonna love my channel. I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. Like, it's crazy. I love the Dollar Tree. It's just so fun to go and see the new things. So if you want to see again those videos, you can check out that playlist, which is going to be down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.